Hello guys, welcome to another video. We're working on a GE profile. This unit is flashing an error code F93 and we're about to find out what's going on. Okay, so we try to run the bake and as soon as we try to do baking, it's flashing F96. So this code pretty much is saying we're having a problem with the blower wheel fan, which is the cooling fan that goes inside, and we're about to change it out. We're gonna be removing the doors just so we can get the unit lighter, because we're gonna have to get the whole unit out. And now we're gonna be having a couple screws around the unit. All right, so guys, this is the fan that we have an issue that we're gonna replace because the unit is humming. It's trying to turn, but it's not turning at all, and that's why this oven is flashing. Okay, this is the error code that we're getting. So, okay guys, so this is the part that we're gonna be installing. This is the part number. According with the error code that the oven is flashing, this is the fan that we're gonna be installing. So the little motor that is in the middle, it just went out, that you guys can see right here. So it's just making like a humming sound, and the control board is picking up that there is a problem right away, and that's why it's flashing that error code, not letting us do anything on the unit. So once we replace this guy, pretty much we're gonna be having this repair all complete. But let me walk through removing the oven right now. Okay, so to remove this fan is really easy. We're just gonna be removing the power cord, and the unit only has 2 screws in each corner, which is gonna be one right here and the other one there.
All right, guys.
Okay, so we have completely removed the fan. We just unplugged the connections, and we noticed that it comes with this metal bracket that we're gonna be using on the new one. So it has 4 screws that we're gonna be putting in that one. We put in the bracket into the new one. Very easy, guys. This is the off fan, and I was looking at it. It does rotate inside, so that means it's not that the blades are stuck or something. It's just the motor inside. It just completely went out, and that's why we're replacing it. Okay, one important things you guys gotta do is just this board right here is the one that pretty much flashes the error code, and it detects the speed on the fan. So definitely don't forget to put that little board into the new fan.
One important tip is you always want to tighten this one by hand, because if not you can crack the board. So just line it up. We are going to connect the connector, and you have a ground. The ground, you're going to connect it to the screw. But we don't do no bypass. Better quality aftermarket.
Okay guys, so before we completely put everything back, we're gonna test this guy to make sure this fan is completely running. And normally it should come on right away as soon as my co-worker Donnie finish putting everything in here. Let's see if we see that fan come on. Yep, came on right away. I don't know if you guys see that, but it's definitely rotating. And now the speed sensor that is right here is detecting that the fan is running, and that is gonna allow for not to pop any more codes into this unit. And just like that, this repair is all done. So we're just gonna put everything back. All right, so pretty much
So pretty much
we already put all the doors back together. We're gonna put it to run one last time to just make sure everything is all good after this. And just like that, guys, it's all complete. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if we are in your area in Houston, you can give us a call. Thank you for watching.